Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we will discuss about addition and subtraction of decimals. In the previous video we already discussed about introduction of decimals. So if you have not watched, please visit to my channel and watch this video. So let's start how to add and subtract of a decimal. Suppose you have to find the addition of 0.40 and 0.30. So how can you write it as 0.70? Simple. Let's take one more example. 0.70 and 0.20. That is 0.90. This is ones. This is decimal. This is tenths. And this is hundreds. So you need to add ones with ones, tenths with tenths, and hundreds with hundreds with our decimal. Same in case of subtraction also. So let's discuss some example of subtraction. 0.62 subtraction 0.32. So it gives you 0.30. 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 0 minus 0 is 0. 1.30 minus 0.10. So start with 100. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. After that decimal. And 1 minus 0 is 1. Let's take one more example like this. That is 2.0 minus 0.50. So as you noticed, in this case, after decimal, there is one place. And in this case, after decimal, there are two places. So first, how can you write it? Just put the decimal first and write the ones digit. And after that, tens digit, ones digit, tenth digit, and hundred digits. So as you notice, there is no 100 digit here. So what we need to write here? 0. And then simply solve your question. 0 minus 0 is 0. It becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. It becomes 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So it becomes 1.50. Now, if you have to find 6.12 plus 5.8. Do like this. First, write the first number. Then put the ones digit over one digit, 10 digit over 10 digit. If there is no 100, then write 0 in place of it. And then simply add it. 2, 9, 6 plus 5 is 11. Let's discuss one more example. It's 2.3 plus 8.734. How can you write it? Ones digit, decimal, tenth digit. After that, ones digit, decimal, tenth digit, hundred digit, and thousand digit. There is no 100 and 1000, so write 0 in place of that and add it. 4, 3, 7 plus 3 is 10. Let's carry over 1. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 1, 11. So it becomes 11.034. Let's discuss some examples on subtraction. 3.95 from 8.2. How can you write it? 8.2 and then 3.95. There is no 100 place, so write 0. Do the subtraction. It becomes 10, it becomes 11, and it becomes 7. 10 minus 5 is 5, 11 minus 9 is 2, and 7 minus 3 is 4. One more example on subtraction is 2.168 from 7. As you notice, there is no decimal and no 007. So how can you write 7 point? After that, how many zeros you need required? Write the zeros. Tens, 100 and 1000 and subtract it. It becomes 10, it becomes 9, it becomes 9 and it becomes 6. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 1 is 8 and 6 minus 2 is 4. That's how you can add or subtract two fractions. So now I'll give you some homework questions so you can practice with this question and you can comment your answer. This 8.79 minus 2.573 and 7.9 minus 5.025 and 2.3 minus 8.7. Sorry, it's an addition. And 2.006 with 1.687. So you can solve this question, practice this question and comment on your answer. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned.